In this video, we'll see how to create a new project in Azure DevOps and onboard users into that project. For that, from this dashboard, we can click on this new project option and create a new project. Else, the second way is click on organization settings. Here, click on projects. Here we have an option, new project. Click on that. Give a name. Then description is optional. Click on create. The project got created. For this project, if you want to add users, click on users. So click on add users. Actually, for demoing purpose, I'm using two users with different level of access permission. First user, so for this user, the access level, in the previous video, I have explained the different access levels. So I'm going with basic access. And here, add to projects. This is the newly created project. Select that. And these are the groups. Basically, we have three different groups here. Project administrator, project contributor, project readers. So here, readers will have only reading permission. Administrator will have all permissions, reading, writing, creating new users, all that. Project contributors, they'll have the maximum permissions. We'll see in detail going forward. So now I want to make this user as an administrator. So select project administrator. Click on add. Here if you see send email invite is also there. Automatically email invite will be sent to this user. So click on add. So the user got added. So we'll add one more user. So for this level, I'm going with the same basic level access. Add to projects, add for the newly created project. And here I'm going with project contributor. For the previous user, I have given project administrator. For this user, I have assigned a project contributor. So click on add. So both the users got added. One is admin, one is a contributor. Now go to the respective project. So this is the project we have created. So in this project, go to project settings. Here under permissions, here if you see demo project 2 is the project which we have created. So by default, Azure DevOps creates a group by this project name. And these are the default groups which will be coming automatically in Azure DevOps. So here, if you see build administrators, they have these privileges. Contributors, members of this group can add, modify, and delete items within the team project. Similarly, administrators, members of this group can perform all operations in the team project. Like that, readers means only they'll have read access. So like this, these are the default groups created in Azure DevOps when we create a new project. And basically, we can add users at org level to the project, and even from the project settings also, a user who has admin privilege can add users. in our demo, I have used a user called PR. So that PR user can create other users within the project since that PR user is a admin privileged user. So click on users. So here, these are the users which already we have got, we created at org level. Now again, click on permissions. So for example, we have contributors here. Click on contributors. So if you see members here, this RR user which we have created at org level is having contributor level access. From here also, we can add new users to the existing group. This is the second way of adding the users. The other thing is now we are clear with how to create a project, how to add users to that project, and we can also add users to the existing project at project level if a user is having admin privilege. Apart from that, we can also know how to delete the existing project. Click on overview. If you come to the end, we have an option delete here. So you can delete the project from here. Else, the second way is go to the organization and here under organization settings, we have projects. Select the respective project and click on these three dots. We'll have this delete project option. If you read here, you will have up to 28 days to recover this project. Means that, till 28 days, we have the option to restore the deleted project. So let us see that how we can restore. First of all, select this, copy the name, paste it, and click on delete. Once it is deleted, here we have an option, view recently deleted projects. Click on that. So that means these projects which are deleted has an option to restore. So this is our project which is deleted recently. Select that and click on restore projects. So the project will get restored. To see that, just go back. You can see the project got restored. So the summary of this video is we have created a new project, onboarded two different users, one user with admin privilege, one user with contributor privilege, and we have seen how to delete the project in two different ways and how to restore the deleted project. And the deleted project can be restored within 28 days of deletion. Thank you.